Hello everyone, Jude here from Tech Office Software. In our tutorial today, we shall be learning some of the most useful PowerPoint keyboard shortcuts you should know. The first one we are going to talk about is Ctrl+O. Ctrl+O will open up the file. Then we have Ctrl+S. Ctrl+S will save your PowerPoint slide. Instead of coming to this icon here or going to File, then Save, you just use Ctrl S to save your presentation. Then we have Ctrl+P. This will bring up the print option for you from where you make selection on what you want to do. Ctrl+T. This should display the font dialog box. It has displayed the font dialog box. Ctrl+M will bring up a new slide. Ctrl+D will duplicate the current slide. Then when you tap on the thumbnail and click Enter key, it will also bring up a new slide. Ctrl+E will center your work. Ctrl+J will justify the paragraph. Ctrl+R will make your paragraph align to the right. Ctrl+L will make your paragraph to align to the left. Ctrl+Z will undo anything in Microsoft PowerPoint. Ctrl+Y will redo everything in PowerPoint. That's redundant. Alt+F8 will bring up the macros. Alt+F8 will bring up the macros. Shift+F7. This will bring up the thesaurus. That bring up the thesaurus. F1 will bring up the help option if you are online. The help option when you are online. Ctrl+A will select all the objects on the PowerPoint. As you can see, it has selected the objects in this slide. Ctrl+F will bring up the Find option. Ctrl+F will bring up the Find option. Ctrl+H will bring up the Replace option. The Replace option. Window plus down arrow. As you can see, Window plus down arrow will arrange your PowerPoint to the side. Window plus up arrow will maximize your PowerPoint presentation. When you want to group, maybe you have more than one pictures in the slide and you want to group it together, you hold down the Ctrl key and tap the third picture. Then you hold down the Ctrl key again and tap the second picture. You see, these two are being grouped together. To ungroup it, you hold down the Ctrl key again, you tap the first picture, then the second picture. They are grouped. But I will group them for this tutorial. Ctrl+P will activate the pen during slide. Ctrl+P will activate the pen during slide. So the pen is activated. You can write anything now. 1+ Enter key will return you to the first slide. 1+ Enter key will return you to the first slide. Alt+HSH will insert a shape. HSH will insert different shapes. Alt+HSH. Alt+GH we select the theme. Alt plus GH will select the theme. Alt plus H will take you to the Home tab. Ctrl plus C will copy anything from PowerPoint and paste it the next slide with Ctrl plus V. When you copy with Ctrl plus C, you paste it with Ctrl plus V, PowerPoint. So we have come to the end of this short tutorial today. Thank you for watching. Like the video if you get any value from it. See you in the next video.